Guys, welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. So this is actually coming from our president, Mr. Peter Obi. Yesterday he was at the funeral of Mr. Humphery, one of the Labour Party candidates for Imo State, who was shot dead. He was there, pay homage, and said a lot of amazing things concerning the man and the entire family, and encourage the good people of the state to stay calm in terms of politics. This is the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Drop a comment in the comment section below.
How we can stay to the family. May God Almighty that God in you grant eternal rest and grant the fourth years to the blessed of God. We will continue to remember in prayers all those who are precious friends. Please remember it in your prayers and do remember the family in your prayers always. We're always to go this way. We're always one way. Go home to America. That is why we go around. We continue to thank the Almighty God that all the blessings and gifts and everything belongs to Him. I was just saying where I came from. When we answer a business and we answer millionaire, we forget that everything comes from God. That one day, all the power, all the things you see is by the grace. It's only that He gave it to us. And that's why we must not abuse whenever we have the privilege to use whatever He gave to us. Because one day we go back to answer for it. The Father has done it. Your husband has done it. I'm sure you bless him because of God. I pray for us. May we continue to remain grateful for the family and for our country, Nigeria. God bless you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Mr. President,